Hi there, it's me, Camila Rose, and I'm back for our cash stuffing for our March paycheck too. So if you are interested in seeing more videos about how to design a life that you love, please go ahead and subscribe for more videos using planning, using budgeting, using creative pursuits. And I hope you're excited because we've got, as you can see, some new envelopes. I'll see you all in a little bit, okay? Bye-bye. Okay, so I'm pulling back the curtain a bit because this is where I keep all of my kind of notes about what needs to go where. So this is what I had to pull out for March. We have $5 for the North Texas toll something. And then we have $85 for business, $164 for debt, $38 from our electronic envelopes, which means those will be divided between school loan interest payments and singing bowls, and then $25 for hair, $5 for laundry. We're pulling out $77 for a womb oracle class by my wonderful friend Jade. So if you want to take it, I'll go ahead and put the link in there. It starts, I believe, 18th of March, so there's still time to sign up. It is the offering is 66 through 88. So, depending on what it is that you can afford to pay is what you can put down. And then we have, let's see, who else? I earned $33 doing a tarot card reading. So I have 33 in my Chase account that I need to pull out, but I need to put that 77 in there to pay for the womb oracle. So I'm only going to pull out 44, or I'm going to deposit 44, and I'll keep the 33 for the earned income. So those are the things that need to get put away. I'm actually going to probably just set this closed for a second. All right, but we've got some new, I finally made an envelope pattern that I liked, y'all. Okay, so I designed this the other day and I made the pattern, figured out how I wanted it to be done, and made some new envelopes from some paper that I had. So they're all ready and set to go. Some of these are replacements for other envelopes, so I'm just gonna I need to actually figure out which one gets which, but let's see. We need to do, it's kind of a mess, but I also have some new envelopes that I had to make because I realized there were other things I wanted to do. So we have NTTA, that's one that's going to need to be replaced. So we'll pull one over for that. Business, I don't actually need to stop. Business, I have a envelope and folders for that. Let's see, debt is a replacement one. So we'll be replacing the one that I was keeping the debt money in. So I think I'll just put it in this plain one. And then we have for the extra, y'all can't see that. For the extra electronic envelopes, we have one already for singing bowls, but we need a new one for hair. I think I'm gonna have this one for hair. And then we have, and the 25 for hair. Oh, it's the school loans. And I actually did want to make one for school loans. So I'm going to have that one be, I'll have that one be this one for school loans. And then we have $5 for laundry. I don't need an envelope for that. I'll just put it in my wallet. And then we have the earned income, and that'll go inside of the business folder. So these are the ones that I need here. And now let's go ahead and put some money in some envelopes. So we're going to use this one for NTTA, and this one gets 5. Ooh, we have a 5. Yay. Okay. So this one gets 5 for NTTA, and I actually need to go and, did it kind of glue kind of close? There we go. Okay. See? Well, once it actually is open, but look how nice it is. Look how easy it fits. Because I know y'all have seen some of the raggedy ones. Oh my goodness. In fact, let me go get them. The ones. I'll set this over here. That's business. But the raggedy ones, y'all. I was trying on a different style. Trying to be creative. So that was the debt one. The NTTA. Look at this. It was too thin. It was too narrow. Ugh. And it was too wide. It was just a mess. Just a big hot mess. So that one had the 40. We're getting rid of this. Goodbye. Goodbye. Reject. We're going to go ahead and put this label, yay, on our nice, pretty new one. Hope that is not going to be straight, is it? I got to find a way to, like, I think that's better. There we go. Okay. So now we have 45 for that one. Look how nice that is, y'all. Look how nice. Okay. So we've got the 45, the $5 for that one. So I will go ahead and put a check here. We have 85 for business. Oh, great. We're going to already need to get change. 1, 20, 40, 60, 80. And then let's see what we've got going on in business. I'm sure I have change. Yep, sure do. Actually, let's see. Ooh, sounds promising. Yes, there we go. All right, we're going to take $10 from my books, book money, switch that out. There we go. And then that gives us 20, 40, 60, 85 for business. So we'll just take that and put this into our business one. And I have new ones for the business too. I guess I can pull those out too, because they are done. I found this paper at Walmart, at Michael's, and I'm obsessed with it. All of my envelopes for my business are made out of this paper. And so these are the backs of them. And then these are some of my other, sorry, those are notes on there, but these are some of the other business ones. I've laminated some of them, didn't laminate all of them, as you can see. So these are the business ones. Anyways, I'll mess with the business one later, because it'll take a while to get together the way I want it to be. So there's the 85 for business. So we can put a check on that. Look at this sad debt, y'all. Look at this. It was just a mess. It wasn't even big enough to hold it. It was raggedy and torn. Goodbye. Now you will be replaced with this one. We're going to choose this plain one. And so we had 22 in there. We're going to go ahead and add an extra. How much are we adding in there? 164. I just made this, so well, it's still got a little bit of the glue in there. Okay, 164. So, it's going to take a little bit of the changalang. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 164 for debt. All. That's a good little chunk of change, huh? So let's go ahead and put that in there. Ready to go. I love to see it. Okay. Ugh, look, and even look at the thing. No. We're just going to have to replace that. I'll have to write up a new one. Let's go ahead and mark that. 38. So we're going to need to divide that into 2. And that 38 into 2 is going to be, what, 19? I believe. Yes, 19. Of course, I don't have 19. So probably need to take these 10s. Actually, though, let's wait. Let's do 25 for hair. And hair's getting this one. And hair is actually just a new one. So I'll have to make a label for hair. Oh, y'all, I just made these, so I gotta Make sure they're all nice and open. There we go. 25 for hair. And I should actually have, there we go, the labels. I got these at Michael's as well. Greatly enjoy them. They're very pretty. I don't think they have the copper ones anymore, so I'll have to use, I'll see if they have any gold ones that I like. So, hair. Also though, these tend to smudge. So I'm going to try to be careful with them. Look, it's already smudged. These smudge. It's the pen ink. So just kind of have to be careful. And then I'm going to do det here. I'm going to try to be really careful, y'all. There we go. Yay! Okay. And then who's left? Laundry. So I just need a 5. Am I out of 5s already? Okay. What else do I need? I need to get 33 for earned. Oh, I just need change, y'all. I'm actually, I think, going to pull this out of books again. Because I have a lot of good money kind of in change. We can change out for another 10. So now it's just 20 in there. And so that leaves us with, what else do we need, y'all? Let's go back. We need 5 for laundry, so I'll just set this to the side. This looks crazy, doesn't it? What was this one? Oh, this is one I actually need to switch out for just one of the other envelopes. 5 for laundry, and then we need, we have the 38, which should be the 19 for singing bowls and for school loans. So one of these, this is the school loan one. That's right on there, school loans. Okay. And we need to get change. We definitely need to get change. Can we get the 33? Well, here's the 33 for earned income. So I'll go ahead and take that 33 out. Put that with my business money. And then now we just need to have, why does it feel like I have something? Oh, I need 44 to go into Chase. Ooh. And then I need 33. I already took out 33, so let me put a check there. So we need 38 plus 33, which is going to be 71. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Wait, sorry. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 81. 81. Yes. Is that right? 38 plus 44. Yes. It's going to be 81. Okay, so now we need to get 44, 19, and 19. Let's see how much we have in singing bowls. So singing bowls is in this pack over here. Maybe we can get some change. Oh, of course not. That was useless. Absolutely useless. Let's see. I know where I have change. So I might just have to go get some change. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And do we have any 5s? And some 5s. So let's just trade out for 2 10s. That should be enough. Right? Hopefully that'll be enough. Okay. So we'll put that away. So now let's see if we can get the change we need. So we need 2 19s. So a 10, a 10, a 5, a 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 19 and 19. And then we have 40. We have 43. We don't have 44. So we're off by $1. We'll have to figure out what happened, won't we? I'm going to take another one and add it here. And then let me look at, because this should be, phone should always be even. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, I didn't count out the runs correctly. Thank goodness that was an easy fix. Okay, so we have 19 for singing bowls. Oh, I can actually just take this and put it back. Okay, 19 for singing bowls. So we'll add in the 10, the 5, and the 1s, which leaves us with 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. Woohoo! We're making some good progress for the singing bowls. And then we have 19 for our new one for school loans. So we'll put that in there. Make sure this is all not glued down. There you go. Okay, that's nice and open. 19 in there. And this is just, again, paying for all of the interest on the school loans. We'll set that one there. And then we have our 44 that needs to go into the My Chase bank. So that is it. Y'all, we did it. We made it. It was a mess, but we did it. So that is it for this paycheck. And I will have one more video coming up related to all of this kind of, and it's going to be it will be a savings update. And once I get done with that, this is going to be a great time, a great season. All right. If you like the video, go ahead and like it. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, and let me know if you have found that you've been spending like crazy, if you've made hundreds of more envelopes like I have. Are they getting out of control? Let me know what you think of these envelopes, if you think they look nice. And I will be back with my next video. Look at me cleaning up. Like, I have a cleaning problem, y'all. I'm going to get it together one day. Y'all have a great one. I love you all. Bye-bye.